The Trilogue Company presents Tansen.
Absolutely love the show. I think I still have goosebumps. And I think what is more important than the craft, than the art, is the amount of questions that it's left us with. And really kudos to the team. And really hope this becomes like a very important message that goes out, more than the play, more than the craft.
It was a big retreat, for me to watch such a show like Dancing, because it as a musician I got connected to it completely, and as I could see the whole audience was who was not from the music or from the music, because it speaks a lot about the human emotions we all have inside, but at some time we cannot express. So the act brought it up very well to the audience, and as an artist what it is like to be an artist, so it speaks very well about it, the show.
कि भाई मैंने तो सफर शुरू कर दिया, मैं तो सफरे तलाश में हूं, तुझे जब मिलना हो मिल जा, हमें तो सफर का मजा है। हरी ओम। खुद को बुलाना क्या होता है?
I just watched Tansen. I had no expectations coming in. I don't have much exposure to Indian art form either. So this was a very good introduction. I didn't think I would enjoy it, but I really enjoyed it. There were some very intense moments. There were some very thoughtful moments, and it really makes you think. And but at the same time, there's a lot of entertainment that goes around. So if you're looking for something that's entertaining as well as enlightening, please do watch Tansen.
मेरे बच्चे को अब आप अपने पास ही रख लीजिए।
समय कहा था, लेकिन मेरे मन में हमेशा तुम्हारी याद बसी रही।
जा जा रे जा जा चिरैया।
The message that I think Tansen is portraying is I think that for me was what connected me to it. It meant a lot, and I believe that the message needs to be portrayed further, and the performance in itself was gripping, right? Otherwise it's hard to stay for like 2 hours for a show, right? But the entire thing that was produced, directed, and the performance and everything was amazing. And I felt like the audience is getting connected, and they're getting involved in the entire show throughout the 2 hours. So really great performance, and I would highly recommend that anyone and everyone should definitely watch it.
चलिए, आप वहां और हम यहां, चलिए। क्या बात है?